Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I decided to do something a little bit different from my normal videos. So instead of trying out makeup, hair products, and product reviews in general, I decided to just sit back, relax, and do a little chit-chat video with you guys. And I'm actually going to be unboxing the products that I got from Style Korean, and it's a website that you can get Korean skincare straight from Korea. And I like my experience buying from Style Korean very much. Again, this video is not sponsored from Style Korean as much as I would love to be sponsored. Ta-da! So here is the package that I got from Style Korean, and they came really fast because I bought a lot of stuff, so that's why I got free express shipping. And it came really fast, so I'm very excited and I'm super happy to receive it on Thursday, 5 days after I ordered it. I can't believe that it's like almost the end of February when I filmed this video. It's like almost 1 year. It's crazy since the quarantine, and we've been staying at home pretty much like almost 1 year now. And it's just felt so wild for me to think about it. It's so weird, like I haven't seen my boss in person for like almost a year now. Even though we see each other via Zoom meeting like all the time. I've been on TikTok a lot these days, or I guess I'm always on TikTok a lot. Like they're bringing back some of the trend, like the whipped coffee, or you know, some of the dance, the I'm super lonely dance. It just felt like it's just happened, but it was actually so long ago. Wow, look at this amount of bubble wrap. I love bubble wrap. It's just so fun. Yeah, I like when I was a kid, I loved like stomping on these things. Like I love popping them a lot. Did you do that when you were a kid? Here's all the products that came inside of the box. I bought a lot from Style Korean, but it only cost me like 113. Products you get on these websites are quite cheap compared to buying them from Sephora, if they were to carry those Korean brands. There's some really shady sellers from Amazon, and I just felt safer at least buying from Style Korean, Yes Style, Styleana, all those Korean skincare websites that you can buy from, and they ship really fast straight from Korea. One of the first things that I got was this Dear Darling water tint from Etude house. I love their water tint lip a lot because it reminds me of one of my first lipsticks ever, and it just felt really lightweight. It gives you like the very Korean tint effect. I already own one of this thing. I bought it again because it was so cheap. It was only like $2 something, and I bought this one in the shade Strawberry. So that's the first product. The next product that I got is this My Lash serum, also from Etude house. I don't know if this actually worked. I've seen the reviews, and it's like they got like pretty decent review, but only like 8 people reviewed it, so I'm not sure how good it is. I'm trying to grow out my real eyelashes so I don't have to wear fake lashes. This is one of the only lashes product that I can find on Style Korean. I will be testing out to see if it actually work. I've had friends who tried lashes serum and they had like pretty good results. I mean, it's not like all gimmicky, I guess. The next product that I got is the Yuja Niacin Mineral 100 Brightening Sunscreen, and this is from SOMEBYMI. I've been using SOMEBYMI sunscreen for a while now, and I really enjoy their product. Like their sunscreen is just so lightweight. It doesn't feel oily or, you know, heavy on your skin. I've heard people reviewing great thing about the Yuja Niacin line, which is, I think, supposed to have like some vitamin C for brightening effect. So I'm very excited to try this out during the summer. So another sunscreen, because you know, you can never get enough sunscreen. I use my sunscreen so fast that I have to stock up on sunscreen, so I will always have access to sunscreen whenever I need it. I bought this Essend Sun Milk SPF 50 Plus from Missha. I think it's a physical sunscreen, so it'll definitely leave a white cast, or a light white cast. That's what I heard from the review, is that the white cast is very minimum. This sunscreen is good to use during the winter because of, you know, the nourishing or moisturizing effect that it gives. I bought it to use in the winter. And so the next product that I got is this Milky Way treatment from by Ecom. I've been trying to take better care of my hair. I don't know if you can see, they've been getting really long and the ends are very damaged and dry, and I've been trying to, I don't know, salvage the whole situation, and I think using hair masks really help with, you know, detangling my hair. So I'm excited to try this product out as well. Next product that I got is this Propolis Honey Overnight Mask, and this is by Cosrx. Cosrx is very famous. I think they sell Cosrx on Sephora as well. And I heard very, very great things about this Propolis Honey Overnight Mask from, I think, both Hiram Skincare and some other YouTubers that also does skincare online. I bought this because my skincare routine is actually very simple now. I've been using Clinique Gel Moisturizer, and the texture felt really lightweight, and I felt that it's just not enough during the winter time. I think it would be good to use like daytime in the summer, but I feel like for nighttime it's lacking a little bit moisturizer. So I felt that this Propolis Honey Overnight Mask would help with that. Another thing that I bought is this Snail Bee Ultimate Serum from Benton. On the package it says that Benton Snail Ultimate Serum is a multitasking serum enriched with snail secretions. The serum helps to nourish, soothe, and keep skin suppler than ever. I've been wanting to try out the Snail Bee Serum, or just any kind of product that have like snail secretions in it, because I don't know, it's kind of the hype. I feel like people have been hyping up about, you know, product that have like snail secretions in it. So I wanted to see if it actually as good as they say. Prior to this, I've actually been using the ordinary hyaluronic acid serum. It was like a nice and decent serum, but I wanted to try something else other than the ordinary and kind of like try out more Korean skincare, so that's why I decided to buy this. Another product that I got is the Rovectin Clean Lotus Water Cream, and this is also another product that got a lot of hyped or got a lot of reviews, good reviews about it. I've been wanting to try more vegan brands that are just very conscious. That's why I bought it. So Rovectin is a vegan beauty skincare line. If you like look at their packaging, they'll say on the side that it's safe, effective, eco-friendly, cruelty-free, 100% vegan, transparent, and with reasonable price. If you've been following my channel, you know that I like to do things with my hair. So that's why I bought these bubble hair dyes from Hello Bubble, I think that's the name of the brand. These hair dyes are really easy to use because they're foam colors. You like mix the developer and the color together, and eventually it'll create like a very foam-like texture. It gives you very even application. That's one of the things I like about foam color. It's very easy to use, especially if you're a first timer trying to dye your hair. I bought two different shades. I wasn't sure which one would show up on my hair, so that's why I decided to buy these two colors. I don't know if you noticed, but I've been trying to get my hair to look pink without bleaching, so that's why I just been buying a lot of rose gold or just kind of like these light pink color, and really praying for the best when I try to apply to my non-bleach hair. One reason that I like buying Korean hair dye, I noticed, is that this brand in particularly, or you know, just Korean hair dye in general, I think it's more nourishing on your hair than your regular box dye. I had really good experience using Korean hair dye. Last time I used it, I feel like my hair was very soft and nourished after I dyed the hair. So that's why I kept going back to buying more Korean hair dye. Maybe after 2 or 3 months, the color will fade, especially with these colors. But I think it's nourishing for your hair, so that's why I keep buying them. There will be videos about me trying out these two products, so get excited. So I think that's all the products that I got from Style Korean. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing video. As you can see, I bought a lot for only $113. It's super cheap, super reasonable. That's why I love Korean skincare. They're very effective, the ingredients are amazing, and the price is very much reasonable. So if you wanted to try out the products that I bought, go to my description box. I'll link all the product that I bought in this video. Let me know if you enjoy these unboxing videos. I don't think I have a lot of money to keep buying like big purchase like this, so it probably not gonna be many of these videos. But if you enjoy, you know, me just doing chit chat, unboxing things, or just doing random things in general, then leave in the comments. Until next time, bye.